Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by being in the showcase map with slap battles loaded. This matters because the bind glove spawns only in that arena. Once in, move directly to the marked pedestal area. Do not waste time idling. Make sure you have a basic glove equipped. This lets you activate the pedestal without waiting. You should also position one teammate near the spawn path to trigger the next phase. Coordinate quickly, because spawns and timers reset fast in-game. Now you focus on the mechanical execution. Approach the pedestal and stand on the designated tile, then slap to activate. Timing determines success. Once done, have teammates create controlled chaos to distract other players so you can pick the bind glove up. Make sure to watch the spawn window closely. If you miss it, back off and reset the pedestal by leaving the area briefly. This prevents soft locks and ensures the glove drops where you can safely grab it. Finish by grabbing the bind glove as soon as it drops. Verify in your inventory so you can swap instantly. If the glove does not appear, leave the showcase map and re-enter to reset the spawn logic, then repeat the activation sequence. This clears most issues. If problems persist, ask server admins or the host to check for script glitches. Meanwhile, have teammates guard the pedestal during retries. Remember, methodical resets beat frantic attempts, and communication.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.